Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and enable bell button. Today I am going to show you a beautiful pleated tulip sleeve making. First, just cut a normal short sleeve pattern on a paper. Fold it like this and cut a notch. Mark 3.5 inches here and shape like this. Cut through mark. Fold again and a notch here too. Now just fold it and mark here. From center, mark 1 inch distances this way. Draw a straight line on fabric through center notches. Draw a line from each marking point to center point. Cut each line, but don't separate pieces. Place it on center line and spread it with 1 inch distance. Pin all pieces and mark out line to cut. Mark this point here. From this point, mark 1 inch distances this way. Now just mark alternative gaps. We can fold each cross mark to a pleat, then pin it. It's time to match with paper pattern. Piping always give us beautiful look. Pin both sides together. Our beautiful puffed tulip sleeve is ready to attach. Our beautiful puffed tulip sleeve is ready. Hope you like my sleeve pattern. Don't forget to share your comments. Thank you for watching. We'll be back with a new video.